A computer is an intricate assembly of various components, each playing a vital role in its functionality. At the heart of a computer lies the central processing unit, CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU executes instructions from programs, carrying out tasks and operations that enable the computer to perform complex calculations and processes. It interacts closely with the random access memory, RAM, a form of volatile memory that temporarily stores data and instructions that the CPU needs while performing tasks. This interaction ensures swift access to critical information, enhancing the computer's speed and efficiency. Complementing the CPU and RAM is the motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components, facilitating communication between them. It houses slots for RAM, provides ports for peripheral devices, and includes buses that transmit data across the computer. The motherboard serves as the backbone, ensuring seamless integration and interaction among various parts. Storage devices such as hard disk drives, HDDs, or solid-state drives, SSDs, provide long-term data storage, preserving files and software even when the computer is powered off. These storage solutions interact with the CPU and RAM, feeding data to be processed and storing the results of computations and user inputs. The graphics processing unit, GPU, specializes in rendering images, videos, and animations, making it essential for gaming and graphic-intensive applications. It works alongside the CPU to deliver visual outputs to the monitor, enhancing the overall user experience with high-quality graphics. Input and output devices such as keyboards, mice, monitors, and printers facilitate user interaction with the computer. Input devices allow users to feed commands and data into the system, while output devices display or produce results from the computer's processes. Power supply units, PSUs, are crucial in providing electricity to the computer, converting AC to DC power and distributing it to various components. Without adequate power, none of the computer's functions can operate effectively. Lastly, network cards or wireless adapters enable connectivity to the internet and local networks, allowing computers to communicate with other devices and access remote resources. This connectivity is vital for both personal and professional uses, expanding the capabilities of the computer beyond its physical limitations. Together, these components create a cohesive system where each part plays a unique role, working in harmony to execute tasks efficiently and effectively. The interactions among them are orchestrated by the operating system, which acts as an intermediary, managing resources and ensuring smooth operation.